We have taken multiple property files for multiple locales. Yes, right. Yeah, com dot int dot commons dot multiple property files for multiple locales. We have taken it or not there, guys? Okay. app.properties TEIN, HIIN, FRFR, FRCA, CNZH. Like this, we have taken multiple, but we have to configure them, boss, my dear, one by one. Okay, now let's see. File, open it. File, open it. Where is that? 515 Spring Boot what? MVC. Spring Boot MVC. Spring Boot MVC. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me here. Mini project code operations. Then I18n in Spring Boot MVC. Right, guys? Okay. This is 15. Resolvers are given to activate certain facility in Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC application. That's good. Yeah. Any file name dot property can be taken as base property file, but this base file name must reflect in what? Locale specific property file as prefix name. If matching locale specific property file is not found, then it uses base property file to collect the content. So base property file will be used as default file or not there. So we have taken keys in property files are user defined, but all property file must have same keys. Value should be different. Collected from what? Google Translator. Okay. Though these are multiple locale specific property file, you have to configure these files are not there. Okay. There's no need of configuring all the files, guys. If you configure base name, base file, that is enough, right? Spring dot messages dot base name is equal to what? My file. Spring dot messages dot base name is equal to what, guys? My file. Okay. Let's go for application dot properties. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Configure base file name. Okay. What is there? Spring dot messages dot spring dot messages dot base name com slash nt slash commons slash what is the base file name? App. There is no need of writing dot properties anywhere, guys. Is there any necessity of writing dot properties, guys? Come on, everyone. That's great. Spring dot messages dot base name is equal to com slash nt slash app. That's good. Tell me next one. Yeah. Okay. Now listen. By default, our application, boot MVC application, not ready to work with internationalization, not ready to listen for internationalization. Okay. So there are some configurer classes, guys. By configuring them as Spring Beans, we are alerting Spring MVC application. Okay, all the requests and responses will be involved with internationalization. Be ready. See, basically our application is ready for English kind of content only, but I have to alert it. So to activate certain facility which is by default not activated, we have to configure one or other configurer class. What class, guys? Configurer class. So we have session locale resolver is the class, guys. If you configure it as a Spring Bean, okay? If we configure it as what? Spring Bean, specifying the default locale. So that makes application ready to deal with internationalization. Check it out. Activate I18n in Spring Boot MVC application by configuring session locale resolver as what? Spring Bean. Okay. Resolvers are given to activate certain facility in Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC application, which will not come automatically. Tiles resolver to activate tiles framework concept. One concept is there. Session locale resolver to activate what? I18n. Cause multi-part resolver. Whenever you want to do file uploading kind of activities, we have cause multi-part resolver is there, right? Okay. The moment this Spring Bean class object is created, it makes the underlying Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC application to activate what? I18n on the application. What is that? To simply literally activate what? I18n on the application. So this is the Spring Bean and fixed Bean ID. First time, not first time, second time I am telling Bean ID should be fixed. In core module internationalization also, bean ID should be message source for property file configuration activity. Okay, why sir? This bean is not used by me, that is internally used. When someone looking for Spring Bean having this bean ID, if I don't give that bean ID, since bean is not available, that facility is totally inactivated or not there. That facility will be totally inactivated or not, my dear. Come on, everyone. So at the rate bean name is equal to what, guys? Locale resolver. What resolver, guys? Locale resolver. Session locale resolver is equal to new session locale. The moment this Spring Bean class object is created, it makes underlying Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC application to activate what? I18n on the application. It will simply activate I18n, boss. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'll go to my project. Okay, where main class is acting as what? Configuration class here. Here the main class is acting as a configuration class. So let's see, guys. Public, tell me. Session locale resolver. What is there? Create resolver. At the rate bean. What is there? Just locale resolver. Yeah, session locale resolver. Resolver is equal to new session locale resolve. Resolver dot, tell me, set default to locale. What is that? New locale of ENUS. Or if no matching locale is there, I want to, by default, when nothing is activated, okay, I want to take this one as what? Locale. Okay. Oh, this is deprecated, guys, in reset version. Other day we have got locale dot locale of language is en. In recent version, constructor is replicated. We got other option in US. Okay, return resolver. What is there? Return resolver. Yeah. Here also, what is there? Locale resolver. bean name locale resolve. Bean name locale resolve. Sys trace, that's good. What is there, guys? Sys trace. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay, that's good, guys. But if you look at the diagram of the project, guys, in every page we are providing hyperlinks, right? That means I may choose language for each request, right? Okay. So there should be someone trapping the request going to controller class handler method, activating that locale specific property file. This is this one is there to overall activate internationalization on the application. To trap each request going to controller class handler method and getting the hyperlink related locale information and activating that locale by selecting that locale property file, locale related number formats, date format. So there should be someone doing that work for on every request now, boss. There should be someone doing that work on every request. Yes or no, na, guys? Who is capable of trapping request going to controller class and doing the changes in the data, guys? Interceptors are there or not there? Yesterday we discussed about those interceptors, na? Luckily, we have a ready-made, predefined interceptor called locale change interceptor. What is there? Locale change interceptor. Once this is activated, guys, it traps every request going to controller class handler method. Come on, observe. Along with the request, locale is coming or not coming. If coming, takes that. If not coming, default locale. And then activates that locale related property file, number format, date format, everything, my dear. Then sends the controller to controller class handler method. So there onwards, wherever you are printing labels, number format, date format, everything happens according to the locale that is activated or not there, guys. According to the locale that is activated, things will take place or my dear. Come on. Think will definitely takes place or not, my dear. Come on, everyone, getting my point here, guys. That's good. Let's see. Yeah, spring dot messages dot base name app. Okay, this is right. Yeah, after that, what next, guys? Application dot name boot MVC proj 13 I18n message dot base name. Okay, now what I do is I will go for this bean class only. Or if you want to make any predefined class as Spring Bean, you have to take at the rate bean method or not there, guys. Yeah, tell me. Public locale change. What is there? Interceptor. Create LCI. Whatever name you want, you can take. Locale change interceptor. Interceptor is equal to, what is next? Locale change interceptor. Locale change interceptor is equal to new locale change interceptor. Okay, now tell me, guys. Interceptor dot, tell me, set param name. What is there, guys? Set param name, nothing but parameter name, guys. Set param name, nothing but parameter name. Array, I'm taking lang. Default is locale. So along with the hyperlink, I'm expecting locale information as what? Lang request parameter. What, boss? Lang. Okay, whenever you are sending, whenever you're clicking hyperlink, one lang request parameter should be there having the locale information. Okay, guys. Tell me. Return interceptor. Return interceptor. Array, this don't need any fixed bean ID, guys. At the rate bean, name is equal to LCM. At the rate bean, name is equal to LCM. But this is fixed bean ID. What is there, guys? Fixed bean ID. Okay, that's good. But we know that Though it is a predefined or user defined, every interceptor has to be registered with what? Interceptor registry are not there, guys. Every interceptor must be registered with what? Interceptor registry. We all know that fact, right? Okay. Now let's see, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yeah, here is my right click, new. com.nt.configurer. com.nt.configurer. Yeah, that's good. Here is what, guys? Right click. What is there? Class. My web MVC. My web MVC configurer. My web MVC configurer. Configurer. Yes, boss. My web MVC configurer. Yeah, here implements web MVC config. Implements web MVC configurer. Right. Okay. At the rate component. At the rate component. That's good. Add interceptors. Yeah, that's good. I want to register the interceptor. But first of all, let me inject the, yesterday also we did for our own interceptor, right? Okay, tell me. Locale change interceptor. What is there? Interceptor. Locale change interceptor. At the rate auto wide. That's good. Tell me. Registry dot add interceptor. Registry dot add interceptor. Yes, guys. It's been done or not done, guys. Okay, that's good. My web MVC configurer registry dot add interceptor. Okay, that's good. Boot MVC proj 13 I18n application. This is great. This is configurer, right? Yes. This is my interceptor registry or not there, guys? This is my interceptor registry or not there? Okay, done. Array, one is to activate internationalization on whole application to make server application ready. One other one is locale change interceptor to trap every request before going to controller class. That means internally everything is there in pre-handle method. Okay, it will gather additional request parameter value lang. In that one, locale information will be there. Accordingly, it will activate property file, date format, number format. So then onwards, whatever things we render, whatever we format, everything happens according to the locale that is being activated or not there. Suppose given locale is not there, locale specific property file is not there. It will try to use what? Base property file. It will try to do everything what, guys? Base. Okay, that's great. Okay, now focus on basic things. Labels, multiple locale file, we configured property file, overall internationalization is activated, one interceptor is activated to take each request and what? To activate locale for each request. So now we have to concentrate on remaining aspects of the application are not there. Okay. So now I'm going to this place, I'm going to develop one controller class, guys. Package com.nt.controller. That's good. Here, what is the one I am taking, guys? SRC main. What is there? Web app. Under this web app, what is there? Folder. Under this web app, what is there, guys? Folder. Yeah, what is the folder that we are looking for? Pages. Oh, under this web-inf first, you are right. Under this folder, what is the folder I am looking for, guys? Web-inf. Under web-inf, web-inf, this is what? Pages. Under this, what is there? Pages. Close all editors. Yeah. Here I'm taking a class, guys. What is the class, guys? Customer operations controller. What operations controller? Customer operations controller. Here is my customer operations controller dot Java. That's good. At the rate component. What is there? At the rate component. Sorry, it should be controller, guys. It should be controller. Yes, at the rate, this one. Okay, here I'll try to take some handler method. What is there? Public string. What is there? Show home page. Show home page. Yeah, tell me. At the rate get mapping. What mapping, guys? At the rate get mapping slash home. At the rate get mapping slash home. Or you don't want to have that also, you can take it. Not a problem. Okay, what is there? Return welcome. Yeah. Yeah, this logical view name goes to dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet looks for view resolver, but that view resolver needs some configurations over here. Okay, I think yesterday we forgot to configure that, guys. Come on, everyone. Yeah, here what is there? View resolver configuration. Yeah, tell me, guys, what is this? Spring dot MVC dot view dot prefix slash webinf slash pages. That's good. Spring dot MVC dot view dot suffix dot JSP. What is there, guys? Dot JSP. We are taking dot JSP, guys. View dot prefix slash webinf slash pages slash spring dot MVC dot view dot suffix. What is there, guys? Dot JSP. Yes, we have configured this one nicely, my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. Slash webinf slash pages dot JSP. Yeah, these are the things that we have taken, guys. Here is what? com.nt. My web MVC configurer, right? Custom operations controller. Okay, that's good. Registry dot add interceptor, interceptor. Registry dot add interceptor, interceptor. Okay, that's good. Here is my application dot properties file are not there, guys. Okay. So can now go to this place. Here I am taking welcome.jsp. Yeah, tell me. In Spring MVC, tell me, in Spring MVC, how many, in Spring MVC, tell me, how many, what can I use, what can I say that, guys? In Spring MVC level, how many tag libraries are there? One is form tag library, other one is a generic tag library, general purpose. So far we worked with the form tag library, but now we are going to deal with what? General purpose tag library. To read the messages and to display the messages, right? Okay. Right click on it, guys. New, where is this? JSP file. What file? JSP. Welcome.jsp. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Right. That's good. Okay. Tell me here, where is this? Is EL ignored is equal to false. Recognize expression language. At the rate tag lib. What lib, guys? Tag lib. URI is equal to tags. Tell me. Prefix is equal to SP. URI is equal to tags. URI is equal to what? Okay, this one we are taking, guys. This one we are taking. Is EL ignored is equal to false. Prefix is equal to what, guys? SP. Right. Prefix is equal to what is there, guys? SP kind of thing. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. SP colon, right? SP colon. Okay, now listen. According to the designing, guys, according to the designing, we take up. Yeah, this message should come, this hyperlink should come, right? This message should come, this hyperlink, and multiple hyperlinks we have to put at the end. But message title and hyperlink message should not be hard coded. You should collect from what? Locale specific property. SP colon, what is there? SP colon message. Code is equal to, what is equal to? Code. Yeah, what is the key in the property file, guys? The key in the property file is what? Yeah. The key in the property file is com slash nt slash commons, not this. Locale specific property file we have to look for. Com nt commons. Yeah, where is that? T underscore in. Yeah, hi underscore fr underscore ca. Home dot title, home dot link one. What is there? Home dot title, home dot link one. Home dot title. That's good. Here is my H1 style. Color colon red. What is this? Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center, guys. Cut it. Here is what? Paste it. H1 opening and what? Closing. H1 style, color colon red, text hyphen align center, SP colon message code, home dot title. Okay, that's good. Now I'm preparing one hyperlink, guys. Ahref. What is there? Ahref. Okay. I'm taking resistor as this one. That's good. Here, what is there? H3 style is equal to color colon. What is there? Green. What is next? Text hyphen align center. Text hyphen align center. Okay. SP colon message. Code is equal to. What is equal to? Code. Dollar open floor bracket and closing floor bracket. Here is my what? Home dot link one. Home dot link one. Yes. Style color colon green, text hyphen align center, SP colon message. Tell me, code is equal to dollar home dot link one or not there? Dollar home dot link one. That's good. Okay. Below this, I want to provide hyperlinks, right? Okay. No, I'm asking one question. When I click on hyperlink, I want to send the request to that handler method using which this page is displayed. So do I need to write any href attribute value at that time? Long back we discussed inform action attribute in anchor tag href attribute. If you don't write any path, using which path this page is launched, using the same path. Come on, guys. Using which path this page is launched, using the same path, using the same path. Are you understanding my statement, guy, or not, guys? Using the same path, using the same path, the page request will be submitted or not there, guys? Okay, that's why what I'm going to do is, all right, in the center, guys, a href. What are the locales we have taken, guys? Telugu, Hindi, French, Canada, Chinese. Okay. href, I'm not taking any request path, but I'm keeping question mark. What is the parameter I'm expecting? Having local information, lang, right? Lang is equal to fr underscore ca. Okay, fr underscore ca. There I am writing what? French, Canada. French, Canada. That's the first hyperlink. Okay, for better presentation, NBSP semicolon. What is there? NBSP semicolon. NBSP semicolon. Are NBSP semicolon will give spaces now, my dear. Come on. Yes, guys. Tell me here what is there. Copy this, paste it. AHREF. What, guys? AHREF question mark. FR underscore FR. What is this? French, France. In French, it is going to be France. That's great. Next. Okay, paste. Lang. Tell me. HI. What is there, guys? IN. Hindi as it speaks in Hindi, right? Okay, what? What is there? Hindi. Okay. HIIN. Okay, I'm taking what next, guys? TIIN. TEIN. Telugu. Telugu. Next. What's the next one, guys? Huh? Yeah. What is there, guys? ZH. Lang is equal to ZH underscore CN. CN or CH CN. Yeah. Here is what? Chinese. Here is what, guys? Chinese. Yeah. Here is my center opening and closing are not there, guys. Here is my what, guys? Center. So it is going to give multiple hyperlinks are not there, guys. Okay. Yeah. French, Canada, French, France. Are two French are there, na? That's why you are identifying with the country. Raman. See, guys, no href value, but no problem. Using which you handler method, this page is launched to the same handler method request comes or not. We need that also. Again, same page should come, but label should be changed. Again, same page should come, but label should be changed. But one thing you remember, guys, whenever you want to see different language words here you have to place, here you have to place page encoding. What is there? Page encoding. You have to write UTF-8. When I select UTF-8, guys, it will cover all the country languages in the world. All the country languages in the world. That's one standard, guys. Almost all countries' languages are covered there. Yeah, just look at this page, guys. Remaining stuff we will see later. Right click, run on server, this, say next, say next. Say next, remove all, finish, okay. Remove all, finish, okay. Yeah, check it out. By default, when I am giving initial request, no locale is there. Default locale, ENUS, but that specific property file is there or not there. So by default, you will get what? Okay, English labels, but it is not recognizing the things. No message found under code EN underscore US. Yeah, EN underscore US. Yeah, that's good. No message found under locale EN underscore US. UN underscore US not there. That time only base file should come into picture, guys. Okay. Why it is not recognizing the things? No message found. That means this base property file is not configured properly, guys. Let me check. Application.properties. Application.properties. Base name. Base name. Okay. Let me check that. These are good. Spring dot messages dot base name. That is configured nicely, guys. Okay. ENUS, locale change interceptor, default locale, EN underscore US. Lang is the request parameter. That means some problem in the location. Interceptor registry. Okay, that's a model class. That's a secondary, guys. No, that is not a issue. Why it is not activating? Why it is not? Set param is equal to lang. Yeah, we already set na boss. We are using lang only na. Set param name lang, return interceptor. I think we said that. We already said that, guys. I18n. What is there? Locale resolver. Any spell mistake in this? No. At the rate being set param name is there or not there? ENUS not there. Then what should happen? You should pick up the base file. So tomorrow I'll case something else. Then that is not there. Base file should be utilized, right? Okay. I think this is the it is not recognizing the location properly. Let me try once this. I copying in these files, guys. I'll try to put in what? Main folder itself. Then I delete this com.nt kind of thing. I try to delete this what? Com.nt kind of thing. Okay. And moreover, no, actually, later I can update, but anyhow, discussion has come. Are to go back to English one, better to take what? One ENUS property file. Hey, this is actually that is not there. It should go for what? Base file. Okay. Here is what? English. Save this one. Right click, guys. Run on server. Say next. Save finish. Say next. Save finish. com/nt/ no message found under code locale en_us. No message. That means it is basically in, what is the code, guys? Welcome.jsp. SP is the prefix. Message code. H3 style center message. What's the error, guys? What's the error? What's the error it is showing for us? No message found under code. UN_US. That means it is not recognizing the base property file. 1 minute. Application.properties. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. I did all the things, but I have not changed the location. I supposed to change the location there, na boss? Yeah. Project clean save. Okay. Project clean. Okay. Yeah, that's great. Right click, run on server. Say finish, restart the server. Yes, restart the server. Okay. What's happening, guys? It's not recognizing the things. Same error is coming. No message under ENUS. No message under code UNUS. That means either one bean is not recognizing or this is not recognized. At the rate component auto void, this is registering. Here we configured both beans. Create LCI this. Session locale resolver, new default locale, new locale of ENUS resolver. 1 minute. That's great. Mhm. 1 minute, guys. No, JSTL is required in second part of the coding, while for number format, date format, that time JSTL is required. Okay, right now JSTL is not required. Yeah, let's analyze where we are going wrong. com.nt, locale resolver, LCI, locale change interceptor, param name. What is not mentioned? ELA. No, that is not required, guys, because that should be there as a default one. Okay. The only that find copy this, paste it. We'll go for old deprecated version only. New locale of ENUS. New locale of UNUS. See, the thing is, it looks for XYZ. When not there, it looks for what? XYZ. When not there, what it has to use? It has to use base file, right? Yeah. I think CN underscore ZH, but here, am I right? First language and this, huh? Okay. Yeah. FRCA, but here we are writing reverse, na? I think it should be different, na, boss? APP underscore CN underscore ZH underscore CN. Here ZH underscore CN. Okay, that is also corrected, guys. Okay, that's good. Clean the project, completely clean the project. One small blunder somewhere that we are asking to take this. Go to JSP. SP content type char set is equal to UTF-8. Char set is equal to UTF-8. No problem. You can directly write in page encoding also. Not a problem. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. 500 internal server error. We are getting no message found under code locale en underscore us. 1 minute, I'll give something like question mark lang is equal to hi underscore in. Yeah, that means basically it is not recognizing properties file. We kept multiple property file. None of them are what? Recognized. None of them are recognized. That's a bad part, guys. Spring dot messages dot base name. Spring dot messages dot base name. Okay, what is the key we are taking, guys? Spring dot messages dot base name. Name of the file is mentioned. Locale resolver, that's also great. Okay. No, actually, I feel nothing great here. Configure base file name I18n.jsp. 1 minute. Embedded server port. What is there? Server dot port 4041. Embedded server port, server dot port. That's great. Right click, run on server, guys. That's good. Say next, say finish. Either it is not recognizing the changes or we are doing one small thing which we are not recognizing. Okay, same old error, guys. Same old error. Any problem in the JSP's level? No. Tags.jsp. Somewhere we are overlooking the content. Where is that? We don't know. Okay, actually that is good. Fine, 1 minute. At the rate page. Content type is equal to text slash HTML char set is equal to, what is there? UTF-8. What, guys? UTF-8. That's great. Right click, guys. Run on server, my dear. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. No message found under locale en underscore US. Yeah, what's happening, guys? Really bad. Session locale resolver is identified or not identified. 1 minute. I'll try to reduce one version little bit. 1 minute. Chat GPT. Let's see. I think in maybe version some changes there we are not recognizing it. Code, okay. Spring colon message. check your JSP file. Yes, array, all are very basic thing they are saying, Raghav. Message underscore keys, message dot properties, message dot greetings is equal to hello user. Code missing dot key default text. Message. It's not really happening, guys. It's not recognizing the basic property file. 1 minute. This locale change interceptor executing on NATA. Yeah, all these things will definitely execute, no doubt in that. Okay. Locale resolver. That is also taken, boss. New locale, session locale resolver. Changes are taken. Yeah, both executed. Internal error 500. What's the error? Same old error. Okay, same old error. That means we are configuring Spring Beans, but it is not recognized, right? Okay, fine. One more time. Wait a minute. I18n. I18n application example code in a using in Spring Boot MVC. What, guys? In Spring Boot MVC. Yeah, what is the version we are looking for, guys? 3.5. Yeah, sometime these challenges will be there. Be ready. Spring Boot MVC 3.5. I believe everything is same. No change is there. Yeah, taking so much time, huh? Meanwhile, we are doing everything that is required for session locale resolver to activate I18 and overall. Locale change interceptor, that is also good. At the rate bean only I kept. Default scope is singleton only. Char set UTF-8. EL ignored is equal to false. Tags. Let me restart the IDE once. Maybe it is not taking the changes properly. Oh, I18 and applicate example code in Spring Boot MVC 3.5. This much time. Is it taking time or really? I think it's thinking wrong. Okay. Copy this, paste it. I18n, enter key. What is that? I don't know why it is taking this much time. Okay. Using JSP technology as this Spring Boot MVC application. Yeah. Any special dependencies required, guys? No, regular one. JSTL, embedded Jasper. Okay. These are regular stuff only. Next, configuration. Spring dot messages dot base name messages encoding UTN-8. If you don't configure also not a problem. This is French related locale resolver. What is there? Locale. But listen, no bean ID na method name becomes what? This. Okay. Set default locale, locale dot English. Anything we can do, that's not a big issue. Locale change interceptor, that's good. Locale change interceptor, good. Add interceptor, registry dot locale change interceptor. Okay, that's good. And everything is properly there, Babu. In the view this label dot title, same thing we are using or not there. Form, everything is there, Babu. Nothing great. Controller slash home configuration configuration, there only configure, there only things are done. Yeah, I'm not violating anything anywhere above. Maybe they have given code in their own style, we are writing in our own style, but the question is why it is not recognizing, that's the question mark. Okay, see, spring dot messages dot base name is equal to what? Messages. Okay, I restarted the application, guys. Let's see. I restarted the application. Let's see once. I18n, right click. Sometimes it happens. Right. Run on server, guys. Local host. Say next. Save finish. No message found under this. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Go to pom.xml. Is it expecting any JSTL things? Okay. Is it expecting any JSTL things? One. I will add JSTL jars also once. Basically, in this, up to this, JSTL is not required, but fine. Okay. Is it expecting any JSTL things? Keeping that in mind. Apache JSTL, guys. Save this. Apache JSTL. This is Apache JSTL. 11.0.0. Apache JSTL. This is Apache JSTL 11.0. That's good. Apache JSTL jar, I'll try to add actually. Say paste. Say okay. Restart ChatGPT. A great fellow. How do you mean? What do you mean by restarting ChatGPT? Fine. Okay. Next. Run an server. Say next. Say finish. Still same old error. No message found under this. What could be the possible reason? Yeah, dependency opening, closing, that is not a big issue, guys. Okay, 1 minute. First time I'm working with the 3.4. Shall we take another version? 3.4.5. What is that? 3.4.5, guys. Let's change the versions. Let's change it once, guys. Right click, Maven update project. In the process, it's saying that something is in process. For stop the application. For stop the application, guys. Yeah, run on server. I think bug might be there in the latest version. In this version, it is coming, that version not coming. Then we need not to blame ourselves, right? More than one fragment names string where this is not relative ordering string. Changes are not recognized properly. Clean the project once. Clean the project, guys. 0.678. Clean the project once. Save. That's great. Right click, guys. Run on server. Save next. Save. Okay. 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 No message found under. Okay. Message found under what? Just a minute. Similar application I developed already. The batch 7 is yeah. Launch it. Yeah. 2 minutes, 2 Vs. So application is there now, guys. This application is there. Which is the option we are using here. Event dependencies. 0.4. Right click. See more to set up similar application. Right click. Run on server. Yeah, there we have Tomcat server 10.6. There we want Tomcat 10.x. We'll see, at least I'll show reference, then we can correct it as. You have to find out whether probably the server version on find out what is the reason behind the problem. We start this. Just no ID started, that's why it is slow, guys. Great. Checking more patience, huh? Fine, guys. What happened? For no problem in the system also. That is getting hanging. This. Oh, yeah. Remove all guys. Finish. all good. Started 3.4.4. Haven't see it's coming or not. French, French labels are coming. German. This part I have not added. I look at only these two. Hindi labels are coming. Chinese labels are coming. English, French, German, Hindi. So this is what I am actually trying for, right? This is what we are actually trying. Right, 1 minute. But error I still not know. I'm just telling code is there, whether it's working or not, I'm just telling. Yes, we have to still find out the end of cost. We are on that business, on that job only. Message start base name, say the underscore properties, same story. You have to find out the error and do that business one by one and yeah, the K resolver, new local ingress, yeah, set parent name, this one, NCI, thing great. Go to configurer, anything great in the configurer, guys? Yeah, just registering the configurer, right? That's great. Look at the controller, guys. Customer operations control. Man, put percentage distance, welcome. Register here also. I think I have to try once with lower version Tomcat 10. Plus, that's the only thing I am finding as of now the reason. But whatever it is, tomorrow we'll make our application working, not this. This is the old workspace application. Sometimes it happens. Okay, the worst case, what we will change the version and we will change to Tomcat, this Tomcat kind of thing. Right. Tomorrow we'll make freshly and we'll try to make our application working. This is the old code. To tell that there's no problem, it's working, right? But you have to find out where you are lagging, right? Something is not taking, maybe version problem or server problem. We have to find out in what. Next, I think I'm analyzing what server issue. Okay, we'll make our application downgraded and working for Tomcat and uh, yesterday notes also not approved. Yeah. Let's see. Google Drive. This. Here is my watch.